I'm going to show you how to plug your own tire if you have a slow leak or a nail in it. First, you need to find where the nail is. In my case, I can see this big giant nail here. If you can't find the nail, just use dish detergent and water. Now you're going to go up to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and go into the tire repair section and get you a tire repair kit for $9.99. You're going to save money because tire shops can charge you from $20 and up for doing this same process that you can do yourself. Now, I would advise you to be near an air pump because when you take the nail or the screw out, the air is going to come out fast. I'm using grip pliers because this screw is very heavy duty. And I'm just going to screw it out instead of trying to pull it out. Now that I've determined that the screw is very large, I'm adding another rubber strip so that it can fill the hole. Those strips allow no air to pass, so a thicker layer is what I'm thinking I need. So now that I've reversed the screw out, you can hear the air coming out. That means the screw is getting close to coming out. So let me forward this process. You may find it hard when you try to push the plugs inside the tire, but you must have a good direction, a good angle, and a lot of force. Once you get it halfway in there or and just where the tips are hanging out, you want to pull back and the rubber is going to stay mounted in the tire like this. Now you can add air to your tire at this valve stem. I normally put 35 pounds of pressure in my tires, but you can find information on the outside of your tire rim that'll tell you how much air your tire needs. And there you have it. Save yourself some money, plug it yourself. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informational videos.